Hello, everybody.
Next matter is 18 TRD 1147, State of Ohio versus Robert Laws. Robert Laws? Yeah.
Ooh, he's got the grump stare down.
Is your last name Johnson?
Yeah.
Okay, I have an old traffic ticket here from 2008 charging you with driving under suspension. That was on Prairie Valley Road, February 6, 2008. I don't suppose you remember that, do you?
Yeah, wrong person, Judge.
What's that?
Wrong person.
Okay. Wrong person?
Yeah.
You want to plead not guilty today?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Where do you live?
Comes on half.
Okay. And where were you transported from?
Main jail. Jackson Pike.
Franklin County? Yeah, okay.
Franklin Park.
Jackson Pike, okay. Are you done with your sentence there, or what's going on?
Yeah, they dismissed it.
Okay, so you say this is not you?
No.
Okay. Do you have a driver's license?
No, mine was suspended when I got into a car wreck.
Okay. You don't happen to know your driver's license number, do you?
It's R something. I don't know the whole actual number.
Okay. Okay, we'll get that set for trial. You gonna be able to get here for a trial?
Yeah.
Okay, $150 cash surety. Thank you. That's all. Next matter is 24 CRB 736 State of Ohio versus Stephen Walters. Mr. Walters, today's hearing is being recorded. Anything you say can be used against you in the future. You have a right to an attorney. If you cannot afford one, you can make an application for a court-appointed attorney. I have a complaint here charging you with possession of drug paraphernalia. Did you receive a copy of that?
Yes, I did.
Do you need me to read that to you today?
No, sir.
Maximum penalty is 30 days in jail and a $250 fine. Do you have any question about that charge?
No, sir.
How would you like to plead today?
No contest.
Okay. You understand if the facts and the police report are sufficient to convict you of that offense, I'd find you guilty today? You understand that?
Possession is not against the law according to
Excuse me?
my argument. I understand that possession is not against the law. This has happened before where something was left in my car. Car's registered in my name. It's my charge.
Okay. So you understand by pleading no contest, if the facts in the complaint are sufficient to convict you of this offense, I would find you guilty. You understand that?
I do understand that, sir.
Okay. You understand you're waiving your right to an attorney today?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. You understand you're waiving your right to a trial, either to a jury or to the court?
Yes, sir.
At a trial, you'd be able to call witnesses to testify on your behalf, subpoena witnesses to force them to appear here and testify, and present evidence on your own behalf. You understand you're giving up those rights?
Yes, sir.
You understand you're giving up the right to question any witnesses the state would have against you?
Yes, sir.
And finally, you understand you're giving up the right that the state prove beyond a reasonable doubt you did in fact commit this offense.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so the police report states that you were pulled over in Pataskala, gave consent to search a vehicle, and drug paraphernalia was found. Do you agree with those facts?
Yes, sir. I also cooperated with them.
I saw that in the police report. Okay. I'll accept your no contest plea. I'll find you guilty. Do you want to say anything today?
No, sir.
Okay. $100 fine, court costs, 3 days jail. Thank you.
Thank you.
That guy said that he was only basically taking, the punishment because it's happened before. He knows how it goes. Sir, you need new friends. I've been driving for, 25 years-ish, and never once have I allowed an officer to search my vehicle, and they've found something that someone's just randomly left inside my vehicle like that, you really need a new crowd.
Next matter is 24 CRB 655, State of Ohio versus Christina Emmerich. Ms. Emmerich, I have complaints here for failure to register a dangerous dog and failure to register a dog. Did you receive a copy of those?
Yes.
Do you need me to read those to you today?
No.
Maximum penalty for those offenses is 30 days in jail and a $250 fine. The failure to register a dog charge has a mandatory minimum penalty of $75 fine. You have any questions about those charges today?
No.
How would you like to plead?
No contest.
You understand that the facts in the complaint and the warden's report are sufficient to convict you of those offenses. I'd find you guilty today. Okay. You understand you're waiving your right to an attorney today.
Yep.
And you understand you're waiving your right to a trial. Okay. Okay, so facts are on March 7th, the dog warden did a dangerous dog compliance check on you, and the dog was not registered, nor were the dangerous dog registration requirements fulfilled. Do you agree with those facts?
No.
You don't agree with those facts? Okay, what don't you agree with?
Because we tried to get dog tags and they won't let us. And not to mention the dog is not my dog. And when.
They have to be fixed and chipped first.
Okay. So did you attempt to get the dangerous dog registration?
We tried to, yeah, they
Okay.
said that we had to have them chipped.
Yeah.
We had to be neutered.
Yeah.
And then the signs and all that, which has already been done. But
It's actually my dog, sir.
Okay.
we
Okay.
didn't have well, he didn't have the money.
Okay.
I don't
So-
even live at that address, so.
Okay. So
Yeah, I went to the dog shelter, dog down, and tried to get the tags on him. Don't let me get him because,
you didn't get charged?
no,
Okay.
He wasn't home that day.
Okay. And you got charged because you were there?
Yep.
Okay. You have a previous conviction for failure to register a dog, correct?
I don't know.
You don't know?
I've never been charged with nothing. I've never went to court.
Well, that's what they charged you with the second charge, is because you've been convicted of that before.
Yeah, I'm not.
Okay.
can I ask you a question, sir?
Go ahead.
For the dog being considered vicious, don't you have to, attack somebody outside of his confinement?
No, it's not vicious. It's alleging that your dog was found to be a dangerous dog. It can be found to be a dangerous dog for having injured someone, or for having been not confined several times. Okay, and then you should have got notification that your dog was found to be dangerous, and you could have appealed that.
That was just the first time
What was the first time?
that he considered it a dangerous dog.
Okay,
Which, I mean, don't get me wrong, he did bite somebody, but they entered into the house
Okay.
unaware.
okay, but he would have gotten a notification that the dog was
We didn't get it until he came to the house,
when?
March.
He didn't tell you that the dog had been
No,
deemed to be dangerous?
no, I didn't get any of that.
Okay, you need to enter not guilty pleas today and talk to, I'd encourage you to talk to an attorney, obviously. If you can't afford it, you can apply for one.
Okay,
And I would encourage you to speak to the dog warden to figure out what you need to do, okay?
Yeah, I went up there and talked to him.
Okay. All right. We'll get set for trial here, okay?
all right.
All right, thank you.
Yes, so I believe those two are a couple. It's from what I figure is that she was the one at the house at the time. They said that I believe it was it might have been in the next dog case, which wasn't really anything special, but they had talked about how getting the dangerous dog declaration, it doesn't actually have to bite anybody. It just has to be loose more than twice. And so I'm assuming the dog got out, and that's how they ended up getting the ticket. And she was the one at the house at the time. She doesn't live there. It's not technically her dog. It's his. But she was the one there whenever whatever infraction happened. The judge is like, no, you need an attorney. I'm not doing this today. Be safe, be well, sleep sweet, and much love.